Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to fix no screen recorder on control center on Poco C65. Alright guys, so if in your control center there is no screen recorder, don't need to be worried guys, because you can change the arrangement or layout of control center and add a screen recorder in the control center. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. So now you can swipe down the screen to go to control center like this. And if there's no screen recorder, don't need to be worried. And then now you can click for edits over here. And then so yeah, on the bottom there's screen recorder. And then you can press and hold to add or rearrange the item like this guys. And then click done and the screen recorder will appear on control center immediately. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to fix no screen recorder on control center on Poco C65. And then thank you so much for watching.